Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm in my kitchen. Today I've not had a good day. I've been having these migraines, so I've been having headaches. I do wear spectacles, but sometimes I just decide to not wear them because I'm becoming too dependent on them, and also I can't see. Yeah, compared to the way I went to the optica, and now I feel like, well, maybe it's because now I'm used to seeing like crisp, images compared to before. And so I think that's why now I feel like I'm not seeing things properly. But yeah, I've been having migraines, but then it's in the evening. I wanted a nice meal. I wasn't feeling like doing it, but then I remembered I'm a parent. Parenting is not easy, so I had to now start making food because I remembered tomorrow I have class and there's no food for Raymond for tomorrow lunch. That is if I come. Obviously, I'll come after 1 p.m. My classes are supposed to be from 8 to 4, but then mostly my classes end at around 12-ish, 1-ish there. So even if I finished at 12, I'll be here at 1, and at that time probably we won't have food. So that's why I decided, okay, I wanted to eat mashed potatoes for dinner, which I've already made, and then I decided to make chapatis. We don't have bread. The buttermilk biscuits are now over. So I decided to make chapatis because Raymond loves chapatis for breakfast, so I made that. Also, we can carry them for lunch. But in this video, we're gonna be making chicken breast with white sauce. So let me stop rambling. I just wanted to get that out, and then let's just get right into it. Everything is done, so it's just diving in, right? So stay tuned. Onion, so we're gonna season the chicken breast. So let's season our chicken. So I'm using paprika, onion powder, salt, fireball. I'm gonna crush, and then we rub it in, and we repeat. So I'm gonna put some oil in my pan, all right? So now we can we put our onions, we add some butter in there, tablespoon of flour, and then you stir. Then you add your cup of milk. Only put 1 tablespoon of flour. If you want more, you can add. I've put more than a cup, so I've put 1.5 cups because I don't want a lot of, I don't want it to be thick. So I'm putting onion powder and salt to taste, some black pepper, and I'm gonna add some mixed herbs as well. Also, I'm gonna add, so this is a Royco cube. So I've put it in hot water, as you can see. Then I will stir it like that. Then I will add it in. This acts as a beef stock. So I want, because I don't want thick sauce. As you can see, it's thickening. This is what I don't want today. Plus, I'm gonna add some cooking cream to make it creamier. A little goes a long way, so don't use a lot. But also you can use the cooking cream only instead of the flour and the milk. You see how it is now? I will take back my chicken and put it in. Yeah, like that. And then we're gonna cover to simmer at low heat. And also I've added a handful of parsley. As you can see, there's some green in our sauce. And as you can see, it's not that thick. It's actually quite rich. So here is the end product: mashed potatoes with our chicken breast and the creamy sauce. That's why I'm putting a lot of that on top. And as you can see, the food is looking amazing. You should actually try it, and if you haven't, please do subscribe, comment, like, share. And if you happen to try this recipe,